Wow, there's a lot of goats here.
See?
Sweetie, you want to hold your hand out? You want to put some in your hand? Put some in your hand.
Oh, he's a nibbly goat. You like the black one?
The black one? Here, sweetie, you want
You can
to
go feed the black one.
go feed whichever one you want. Come here.
Good job.
This guy's a pushy goat. You want to feed the black guy? Oh, good job.
Good job.
Oh, the black one likes you, I think.
Yeah.
He's so cute.
Hold your hand open, sweetie. Open.
Here, baby. Look. I don't want to let the goats out. It's okay.
Oh, good job, sweetie.
See if we can get out without the Put your hands like this. Put some in.
He's got a tail, that's right.
Oh, yeah. You want to feed some more? I'm going to get
Oh, she's so. Oh, that's okay.
Oh, everyone's feeding this guy.
We'll come back. Thank you.